I can't talk about 4 type of woman. About 4 type of woman. Married woman, single mother, single, and married but single. Mingle with your category. Mingle with your category. Yeah. Why I talk am? If you be single, always dey around with single people so that express no go pass you. If you be married, always mingle with married people so that you don't make mistake. If you be mother, as a single mother, mingle with a mother, be married or a single or whatever. Be married or a single mother or but a mother. But a mother. If you still do live it together with a man when you never get any issue for, you just dey with am for house. Now they call that married but still single. Still try, as in try mingle with some people wey don marry. As the man don't gree put money for your head, you don't get any issue for am. Mingle with people wey don still marry. Can be same category somehow. So that one will encourage you, or the doings of their marriage wey they see. If now you dey wrong, wey not make the man marry you, or you not baby boyfriend or whatever, you dey correct your ways so that the man will put money for your head. But wetin come pay me pass now, girls wey never born, never marry, they follow people wey still dey young age dey waka. Na dey pitiful. You know, say some guys dey, because they get big body, they don't want to make anybody talk to them anyhow. They go hide their age, go up. Imagine you, this girl dey 32, you dey 38 or 39, close to 40. And this girl dey 32, una be age mate, una be best of friends. My dear, that girl, she do always dey talk about flexing, because she dey 30, 32. You be 38, 39, close to 40. Based on her, come get the same station. They just had to talk about flexing. When you want to settle down, no be your category. She never reach. Because why? For her mind, she still dey young. So she feel the waka, they follow everywhere. They live the kind of life when they please her. You dey just how they live that same life, you are wasting your time. Yeah, you are wasting your time. As a mother, I love to mingle with a mother. Yeah. You know why? Because if I dey wear single day, I will be age group. We'll be age group. And our group, we don't overdue. Maybe the stature or the appearance make you fine. Don't they notice the age? You understand? Okay, I deal with a mother. I dey always talk about my baby. She go dey talk about her own baby. You see what a sweet horse. You get the kind of discussion we dey give ourselves. Discussion of hope. Hope as the hope of a good husband. Man will take care of us and a baby. Our discussion dey always different because I'm a mother. She too, she's a mother. You get the kind of discussion we dey give ourselves. If I dey mingle with a single lady when she never get issue, I dey always talk about my baby, my child. They be like say I dey make jest of her, or I dey laugh her. You understand? I dey laugh her. Maybe I want talk something directly, say maybe she never get issue. She must feel somehow, feel something inside of her, as in not be jealousy, but she go dey create that hatred. They follow me because be like say I too dey mock her, or around her too dey use my own dey brag for where she dey. With that, I will come to control myself. I no fit dey control myself for where my friends dey. I need to free myself. Now be the friendship. You understand? So anytime they with a mother like me, or want me go with friend when you get issue, I don't always dey over happy because this one na my category. She don't marry, or she never marry. As far as na mother like me, na my category. because my ways of talking these days, because I'm a mother now about child, about children, about future, about money, about responsibility things, because I don't get my own responsibility. I can never go to a single girl we never born, because our reasoning no going look alike. No going go one side, they go different side. Because maybe get where she want go, me no fit go. So the friendship not go sweet like that. But me and the mother want sacrifice the time to go this place. E get the time when we will go, quick come house because of the keys. Except say maybe get where we don't keep the keys safety. Say okay, they there, and they go come. So mother and mother, that feel me go with each other when the play go sweet way. Two friends dey. One get issue, the other never gets. But they be age mates. Maybe one facing one was like 1 or 2 years. You understand? But they be age mates. Maybe the one when never born facing the one when don't born. But based on say the stature and all that, so they be age group. You understand? So everybody just dey like that. So it gets the one when don't get issue. She never marry. Na single mother she be. You understand? So based on this, whenever get issue, and they love themselves. Friends that they talk to each other. Get where you will just join us together. We feel the quarrel, cataract. Once you come join us together, say I like you. Say so, me still like you. Now yours your ways. So now try to amend on our ways. Now come be friends. So this one get issue, some not get issue. Each time this one they always talk about aside, they control herself, made it not they affect the single one we never get issue. So based on she know they free herself again. So she can't advise the single one, say, my sister, you know say your age don't dey waka. See this man, you say the man love you. And for advice, you may get issue for her. Since your age don't dey waka, just get issue for her. With time, the man he will love you, will marry you. You understand? Say no, I don't want to become single mother. Okay. That word when she talk, it affects the single mother mind. Say, okay, this girl mind since then. She dey laugh inside the single mother then. Oh, no problem. So based on saying she get issue already, and this her friend she love her, then she need to shift, go one side. So their friend got they notice say this character don't dey different from the way she felt be and all that. The one way she don't the one that is the one way never born. So because of pride, she no want call her say, wetin dey do you? Why you dey vex? It's how long now? You get way to do your things. She herself call the carry face. You understand? As she dey carry face, this one no be say this one just dey carry the vex. Why don't want to carry the vex? She no just dey carry the vex because of say na word when she talk. No, she dey vex say this one never ready, so no need to dey me go with you. I no feel free to dey talk. You understand? It's either you be the same category, me go feel free to talk, or you dey your own, dey with people who fit you. Now I made this one suffer shift. So every time she will want to find trouble, they talk, they understand. So I made the one double react. So that one just take her bag, leave the house, make things peace reign. Every time. So she can't provoke what they say. Even as she they do things, the one double not they would no they care. She can't provoke, talk. So they worry yourself. Every time you're quiet, every time you're and of course say, no, not the quarrel. See. I know you just like your ways, the way you do all those kind of stuff. Not be say with the quarrel, they can't settle. But meanwhile, before they come on, the one all born, I might talk more for the friendship. So she can work her own, so they can still be friends, so continuously as before. We don't call that as before, because that one all born, I might talk more for the friendship. But the single one still love the one. You understand? Because the one all born get mature brain. The way they do her things different from other single girls who never born like her. The way they do their thing. But she prefer to deal with this one all born as friend. But this one not to brag with her side because her friend never born. So make she not going to hurt her friend with her bragging, with her. You understand? She did very proud to be a mother. Make she not going to affect the girl. Say okay, maybe like because she never born, she need to give space. Why I talk this thing? Later, that one call they get patiently, they waka. They still pray for her. I pray make she jam the kind man where she wants. So I make she marry because her age not there aside again. She call pray for her. Later she come hear some news or rumor say even the guy wey she born for, the guy no go be better human being and the way the person take behave. You understand me? Okay. You no be single mother, you no dey the marriage or whatever. Na bad name. Because you use words for this your friend, say you don't want to become a single mother. But now the man wey you get baby for, you not marry, you not put money for your head, you not do anything, you just be single mother for there. The man just occupy you there. Now they stay together, today, tomorrow. The thing, they confused. As a single mother wey this one be, she not deal with any man. Any man of her sure if he come, marry her, take that child as her child. But this one not marry you, he not leave you, just cage you for one place. Make you dead there the waste. Why I talk this thing? Guys, you know who they talk to now? Na bad person. Who they talk to now? Na bad person. You know why? Not just I dey hate fine girl dey waste. I dey hate am. If you no marry, say you never ready to marry, because I see no reason why 35 years above 35 never ready to marry. It no happen. You enter relationship, you no work out. If you come out and people go laugh you, say just can't carry this one on Monday. If you stick around that one, people will laugh you. You keep yourself, they go. You want to keep yourself for years. Sometimes 1 year, some months, you know, a friend man. You be single. Nobody they keep yourself for. You don't keep yourself for any side. Because only a single mother can keep herself, she not the waste. Because she's keeping herself for that side, for her to concentrate on that side. You never get issue. You don't pass 35 years. You didn't laugh from how you don't go. Oh, you don't get issue when she not your husband house. You dey throw words they give woman when you never marry, but she gets somebody when they call her mommy. Your age dey waka as a lady. Relationship when you dey, you fine finish. The man who want marry you, why you don't try find that? Wetin be the problem when this man who want marry you? Which reason? Wetin you do? You not find rich, you not go school rich, you not get character. Is there anything you do when not they please this man? Wetin be the problem? I be this man not be my own. May you walk away. Give another person chance. May marry you. Marriage na beautiful thing. Even if you don't dey my mind to go, but I know some the best thing for a woman. It go beautify you. Marriage go beautify you. I don't advise any woman to become a single mother because it's not easy. Not be waiting you want just face. It's not easy. It's not easy to be a mother and a father. It's not easy. Time no day for you to do things like other of your mates. But if you don't get that straight to be a mother without a husband, my sister marry. Not the late age they go. Say God, how they tell to say God stands the best. Fine and truth. But remember, they will go into Bible, the quote, as Sarah take born the age of how many years? This. See, now their faith. Sarah, they close to God as a believer. Now Christian, strong Christian. I don't understand Bible. The ones who until they make reference for Bible before anybody name the Bible. Now person whereby when God has, now you name the Bible. That woman, when God bless, she hope on God. She believe in God. Say God will help her. Now make her she born the age of 50, 100. She married the age of 100. She still became born for the age of 100. Why? She so much believe in God. And she dey serve God well. You're not there for devil. You're not there for God. You're the center. Nobody just surround you nothing. Even now, by JPK, you not go get. God, though, you not go get. You just there like that. If you marry the age of 40 years, I want to ask you a question. You know, say, as woman they grow, not be as you dey for 20 years, you dey for 40 years. As woman they grow, say all the body system, they old, they follow on. Now, so all those things they weak, they follow on. All the organs, everything with the woman body, if they weak follow on. Only man home, nice dey intact. Come man and man. And if not with this breast where woman carry, woman won't get any strength. Woman won't get strength. Now breast they strengthen woman. So everything where they woman body, everything they fade. As you they hold, now so those things they hold follow you. You don't feel use woman born the age of 20, 30. Take compare woman born the age of 40, 50. you no fit use am compare am. Woman wey you wan marry at the age of 45 years, because you wan just take pride of marriage, say man marry you before you born. My sister, what about you come marry at the age of that 35 or the age of 40 or the age of 50? You know why you go make person quick marry? Sometimes you marry at the age of 25, 28, 26, maybe baby not quick come. At least maybe you marry at the age of 25, maybe na 5 years time baby wan come take come, hard than only 30 years, you still dey very young. You marry at the age of 28 years, baby not quick come, you come had 5 years, Jonah 32, 33, something like that. Okay, maybe you come marry the age of 40 years, baby not quick come, maybe go come like 2-3 years or 5 years time, not be 45. Your body system not fit carry that baby well. The sperm is not enough. You no go dey thick enough to carry that baby well. You understand? Because your whole body system don overlight, don weak. You no fit carry that baby well. Because the body system, the organs, everything don dey weak. Because your age don pass when you suppose to born. Come born, relax. If na 2 or 3 children you don get, before you reach that age of 40 or 40 something, you don relax. Because the organ, everything already dey expire. You go come relax, dey take off those children with the strength of breast wey God give you. Why you dey always criticize women wey don born, when you no even know the kind wetin dey pass through? You as a woman, I no wan dey talk to. I no wan talk to men for my life again. Men, they are superior. You understand? They are wonderful. I love them. I love their ways. And why I love their ways? They understand themselves. They can never mock themselves in any situation they pass through. Like, they laugh themselves. They encourage themselves. Now, women, when they see, they always laugh themselves. Once they don't know anything about you, don't want more quarrel, make them do that to take flash your face, slap your face. Some of you know what people talk follow you. Women, they get problem. Okay, imagine you get friend who don't get issue. She don't marry. They follow you work as single. You will be single. The girl never will call you sit down, make she advise you. My sister, your age don't go how far. They follow more than waka. You will be single girl. Una be age group. You dey see say no go market. You always go only your own. Your friend they buy baby own sometimes they buy her own. You not go they feel am. If not me, I go they feel am. So behave mates. God's time is the best. May not forget that English. Me now the reason say give una self hope. Una no know God. Make una try raise this matter way. Woman when marry, now gift from God, as in God gift her. But if the man not still come, you don't go kill yourself. But why they throw away belle wey God till they bless you? Why they do abortion? You know say this pikin you never ready to carry up. Why you go allow that man use honorary body for you? Like they sweet you, abi? Okay, fine. The man don't use honorary body for you, don't take him. Why would they throw belle at the age of 35 years? You still do abortion at the age of 35 years. The age of 35, more than 35, about 35, still do abortion. Because you don't laugh your mates. Finish. Shame not let you carry your own. Because you don't laugh your mates. Finish. Shame not let you carry your own. You know, they advise any woman may become single mother because it's not easy. It's not easy. Freedom not the day. But you just too overlove your child. But you know if you get freedom, as in free or say once you do 1 or 2 things. Because not only you. No papa say me leave and make queen or go this place. Not only you, you're there inside the low. Except God said somebody come and they help you out. You know easy. Fine. But we must respect single mother past married woman. Because in a marriage, like God say, we women. You understand? That fit us. That make marriage they very nice. May you marry. Your age they waka. Marry. Not the last single mother. Since you know if you become single mother, marry my sister. Marry. Follow your category waka. Follow your category waka. If you single, your friend single, now don't pass 35 years. If she dey enter husband house, you yourself go enter husband house. Why? You don't go select again. Say the man with the friend. Now so you know sabi certify you. The man with the friend, now so you don't get money rich. The man with the friend, now so you don't get swag. You know, if you're making a gas boyfriend, because you don't see your friend don't marry, you yourself will want me whole one man. Because that your friend don't know herself. You yourself, they follow our car, you don't know yourself. You understand me? So, we know the reason why. If two friends they work and they don't pass the 5 years, you know the kind of result when they follow two of the worker. If woman too fine, she never still marry above 35. Those things are just waste. Man no go like to take it serious. You know why? I know that's why I tell you. You know why? Why men don't take it serious? Say you too over fine. You don't pass 35, you don't be married. You don't they go 40, you don't be married, and you too over fine. You know why men don't take it serious? If you be more that you'll still they manageable because they don't want to know waiting cause quarrel between you and your baby father. Because you fine. You are okay as a woman. So waiting happen, they'll call they curious to know about you. Say you don't get issue at all. Then they say now what the reason. Now would they ask question? They don't go ask you question, they'll call the reason. Say, this girl fine. She fine. Everything else complete for her. Why she not married for all these years? I believe there is something women they run from her. Maybe I'll try and find that. Before you know, 1 month to pluck, 2 months to pluck, 3 months to pluck, 4 months. 1 year can't have join your heads with that Martin know you. Here they work, they go. And man, woman they quarrel for relationship they settle. That one and no man. But before you quarrel and settle, you don't already did the spirit. You call a hurry that man because you need the marriage. The man. When you hurry, no fit settle down with you. Don't they hurry men. Men don't need hurriness. Man, they settle that they find their wife material. Men, they settle that they find wife who will give them peace of mind. When you make them feel on top of the world. You understand? They don't need hurriness. Because your age don't overgo. You call the hurrier. Call the hurry the man. When I could do marriage. Because you don't have to brag. Say, man must put money for your head. Bragness. Like what talk about. My sister, no they brag again. Facebook, in real life, your friends, anywhere, no they brag again. Bragging feel frustrates you. Because what you brag about today, maybe now you just take on life. Now your destiny. You can't avoid your destiny. I know say nobody destined to become single mother. But sometimes not be everybody marriage go favor. So they put money for their head. They later come out become single mother. Now that one even worse pass. I never enter at all better pass. May man of my choice come and I'll still be choice. They will marry. Reasons there. You understand? There are no reason. Man, if I put money for my head, which make me come out, the man not good. Why the man not good? So you need to wash out before you marry because any woman wey quit marriage, she not get good start. Because marriage now to enjoy, not be to enjoy. You first know this man with a friend and you just want force yourself follow enter man husband house because you are so desperate to marry. Why they always call it talk about girls this period? Because single girls too full everywhere. The way single girls will take many single mother or marriage, no married women, they don't even reach half of them. And if you see them, Jesus, if you see them, they're too fine. They're too fine. We say talk say women are too fine. They're too fine. Why you go find your package? Jesus, everything for your body. Here is all the waka. No man will put you for us. Now bad luck. Now bad luck, my sister. Now bad luck. Sorry. Now bad luck. Nobody to call you mommy. Nobody to call you on name. Now bad luck. Marry. You know what get issue? Marry. Marry. Oh, marry. Make more for single life. Single life not be now less than 30. Not be above 30. Marry. Fine. The laugh you don't laugh your mate. You don't let her call you for the same category. No problem. You see better pass. Remove the shame. All the laugh you don't laugh. Put them for aside. Marry. Marry. Carry your face, come out for Facebook. One call they talk. They insult single mothers. They insult the one where the husband has. Where they do this one, they know they do that. na so they are picky. They say so people they marry, na so their children dirty clothes full their body, and so the children all the dress they wear, and na marry na so na marry. Why you dey laugh? All figures are not equal. Why you dey laugh? When you see enter the marriage, when you look other easy or you no easy for them. Some people they enjoy when they single. Once they don't marry, things will start to the worst. Not be the children cause the bad luck, not be the wife or the husband. Now still their nature. Maybe now lack of plan I worry them. So why you dey laugh them? So don't take up the children. You will never marry. You don't get issue. Nobody to call you mommy, nobody to call you mommy. Nothing. You always dey empty for the life. You dey find there for Facebook every time. If I wear the best clothes today, I'm proud of myself because I have responsibility. Yeah. If I dey talk like this now with boldness, I know their nails bars. I never marry, but marriage is the best. But somebody they call me mommy. Yeah, that mommy alone. If you dey come and complain, give me, and so person bitter, I'll dry her body, I'll kiss her. They sweet me. Yes, because that is my pride, my joy. Forever. If the man can't come, he won't say he won't come marry me and my child. Take my child as his own. No problem. So for me, the kind of man we me want, I will be selective. Now me can't get choice. Yes, now I can't get choice because I know they in hurry in life. I know they desperate. I go settle down select because I don't want to go husband as one come back. 2 husbands, 2 children. God forbid. That mistake I don't want to make am. That make her selective. But my age now, you be my age mate. You be my age mate. You dey select the way me dey select. My sister, you are killing yourself. Yeah, you don't need to select. Your age dey waka. Nothing wey you dey sacrifice for. So why you dey waste your age? Marry, make you enter house. No dey drop bag from state to state, country to country. Only dey work the money for family. Hey, oh Jesus. Family never do shingy. Now make you still get the mind to be carry the book for head. If family do you worker, you go to regret. The regret go to increase. You go to increase. You go to increase. Okay, your man not get money. You be love her. You love him. Okay, why you not help that your husband to be? Help him. Forget about the risk, about the fear. Say other he go leave you. Why you not for trying? Help him. Make the man get what they do for a living. With that, marriage will enter in play. Because some men, not be say they be not ready, but they fear. Because the responsibility where they want go face, add or fix because they never get work. No better thing when they give them money for. Now they want to take care of family. Even if they don't go, they know say they're not to just impregnate woman, marry her impregnate her, so they fit do any age at all. But woman don't get that time. Woman, everything about woman, they aspire, they follow one as they grow for life. Men not they aspire, now spam they throw away. Now they'll continue to throw away that spam. You know how many men spam they does be? Many spam wey they does waste or produce children. Then they throw away anyhow. Now waste something to them. It not be anything to them. Because God creates them naturally. We will be women. We not be real. Because now rims, like God take one, take create. Their own are just natural. So you get the way God take creates them, different from us. Why would they let men they deceive us? They deceive you for marriage for years. The thing not be work out, you see they there. They do live it together. With a man will not put you for house. He won't marry you. You force us. And at first you take there. No love again. Man don't to stay with you. No love you. Forget, not to deceive yourself. If man woman you know like the shark. If you don't take love not today again. You not today again. Now the love where they just admire love. They admire you. See that ogbono. Now they might to go eat. But before your husband or your boyfriend or whatever want go to eat ogbono, if they put you for house, get issue for her. Get issue for her. Say don't marry you. Even if you want to go to eat ogbono for outside, that pride, you don't put that for your body, that respect. Say my house, my wife dey house. The man a married man. If dey friend one girl, now you can't know that you want a friend married man, and you dey waste your time. Because the man don already married. But you dey house for free. No marriage, no pikin, just dey there, live it together. If the man come go mistakenly go outside just now, come go do wetin sweet pass you in the house. Now to call over relationship with you, that's how you say you want kill him. You don't tell her for long. Because you know if you use mouth to drive you, when they make love every time, find the sweet. If man dey talk, now they sweet am. Once you don't come down, don't come for her. That one you there outside, maybe don't find the character when you want in that one. Now to cause separate with you, now you come be the next problem. My dear, you not follow you quarrel, not drive you. The character will change towards you. Now you will call the quarrel. Maybe the kind of full affair live local live again. You call to nagging woman, nagging girl. After when you go now you come day, so you must dey nag. If you don't nag, that nagging, now you will not stay separate. Why you go to stay with man who never put money for your head? You know, buffer. Dey with her for us. Hey, just past 35 years, you see the day. Me I no vex so. Me I no vex so. Me I never marry. You when they watch me, if you don't marry, if you never marry, I know I talk to the men. If you want to talk to me, tell they can't want to talk to the men. Now just na my ways. Nobody will fit tell me say see what you want so they do for Facebook. Because people they do one, maybe human being. Guys, make una know the fool una self. You know, so when they talk to the person, they fool himself. Now I feel say na foolishness. Let me use this in me. Foolishness. You no fit just dey with man. You no know where the relationship dey go. If you count years, make people dey cheat for you. But what about your own age, your own years? How many years you dey when you say you do live it together? How many years you dey say you do relationship matter? How many years you dey do single life? If I see some girls wey take get breast, get shape for Facebook, they'll still dey single. I'll just dey pity them. My spirit will tell me, so this one, they know the shame. Every time you see they take picture, you post them. See they take picture, you post them. Not very so. See they post pictures. This same man when you don't already get serious wife, serious girlfriend, they will still comment for your post. You are beautiful. Let them toast now to call shop you wrong. They don't already get their wife. Because you be category of those married men. You know, say get woman go come fine rich, mature rich. Children not finish a day, where she dey gay. Children not call a toaster and gay. Because now children, if you dey friend children, people dey insult you now. Like say you never really life, you never just went to marry. So now your category, none of them don't marry. Your category of men, they don't marry. Now married men they be. They will still call your profile. Hello baby, you are beautiful. You are nice. Hey, can you give me your number? Can I have a chat with you? Give me your WhatsApp number. Like say the WhatsApp number, not be the same place they for still they talk for messenger. You yourself say I don't give out my number. You still making younger join your age. This young boy we want corner not be category. How wish you get sense rich? You see that your wife when they house when you live one call the toast you. Now here's just to bill. She use her brain as she enter her husband house. Her husband one call the toast you, they disgrace you. The life when me they live is different. I don't want to make anybody want live normal life. They make mistake. My kind of life different. Why they'll talk say I know they perfect, I know they well the reason why I say I know they perfect say my ways yours different. Now do I also take on life? Things of the world not they freak me. Wait till they freak not be they freak me. Even the marriage not they freak me. But I want to advise the ones where they make mad. Say our kind of people na disgrace. So since our kind of people na disgrace to you, you know, so we'll still remain single because we'll be age mates. It's either you be my kind of people or you be kind of other person responsible when God just bless married woman or a single mother. You know, you're supposed to just dey different for us when we'll be age mates. Now cost to you. Now cost to you. Your mates don't marry or your mates get issue. You never marry, you don't get issue and will be age mates. That cost to you. You know, if you're fine finish, men they always choose you. They sleep for different bed, different men bed. Today is day here, tomorrow is day here, next tomorrow is day here. You never marry, never born. If single mother want they live that life. You will say maybe nothing there and mind, marriage not there and mind. They want to say, should I really get issue? You know, so they talk, say, I don't really get issue, self. You understand? You know, the marriage did already, you know, concern me, I get issue. But you are desperate. You are desperate to marry. Because you want to have your whole side, but pride, when you don't fair just matter, destroy your fellow women. Because why? They take their decision, or something happen to them, or get what happen to them along the line, whereby they don't feel come here and they can't come out, can't go there on their own, they take off children. You they laugh them. You they talk rubbish, they follow them. But you see, they're single. You never marry. Hey, don't waka. Hey, don't waka. Hey, don't waka. Wrinkle don't start. If you put breast, it big oh.